Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Yankee candle unboxing haul for you. This comes from the end of the semi-annual sale. I happened to go online and they had lots of melts for under $1 each. And then on top of that, I had a $5 rewards coupon. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to go ahead and crack open the top of the box here. I do have some melts going today from the Yankee candle. I have Blush Bouquet in the bedroom, which I'm in right now. And I have Floral Candy going in my dining room. So like I said, I ended up picking up melts because they were under $1 each. And I know I picked up quite a few of them. So here we go. So lots and lots of melts. These tend to all be fall themed, I believe, that I picked up. So let's check it out and see. So we have one here. This is baking cookies. And I don't know if I've ever smelled baking cookies. So let me go ahead and crack open the clamshell and give it a sniff. Okay, so that smells like sugar cookies. Very nice for fall and winter time. So I know I got multiples of that. I got multiples of everything that I ordered. There's another baking cookies. We have here, let's see, apple cinnamon cider. Let's see if I can open this one one-handed. Gorgeous red color. Lots of oil sitting there on top of that, so that's a really good sign that this is going to be highly fragranced. Ooh, very, very nice. Nice cinnamon apple scent. I do have to be careful with cinnamon scents because sometimes they do break my face out, especially if it has that red hot cinnamon scent to it. But I think I'll be a-okay with this one. Here is a Seaside Woods. I had never smelled anything like this before. This might be like a good all year round scent. I figured for the price point, I couldn't lose out on giving it a try. I think I only picked up 2 of this one because I was on the fence. Okay, so that is a very manly, almost pine-like scent. Not something that I would want to melt all the time. I'm glad I didn't pick up too many, but you know what? I will use it for sure. So then we have here creamy pumpkin cupcake. And I'm already seeing multiples of that. Let's see if I can get that open one-handed. So it is a creamy yellow color. You do get 6 of these melts to a container. I tend to use 2, if not 3 of them in my centerpiece warmers. Ooh. Pumpkin cupcake. Oh, that one is delicious smelling. That one is my favorite of the bunch so far. Then we have here berry apple. And I know I'm going to love this one. I think I picked up 7 of these because I love the retail version of this. Let's see if I can open it one-handed. Having a hard time opening this one. Alright, I can't get that one open. Gorgeous dark cranberry color. As I stumble across another package, I'll probably try again to get it open. So let's see here. Another creamy pumpkin cupcake. Creamy pumpkin cupcake. Baking cookies. Here we go again with another berry apple. So let's see if I can open this one one-handed. Ah, there we go. Some of them are easier to open than others. So like I said, gorgeous, deep burgundy cranberry color. Oh yeah, that one is amazing. I'm glad that I stocked up on that one because that one's a good all year round appleberry scent. Here's another of it. Oh, here's something different. We got some delicious cranberry. Very dark cranberry color, darker than the appleberry. Looks like that. Very nice, a sweet cranberry scent. Kind of reminds me of cranberry relish, but not quite on the too tart side. Here is another apple cinnamon cider. We got a couple of the sweet nothings. Gorgeous lavender color here. See if I can pop one of these open one-handed. So it looks like that. Ooh. Very nice floral perfumey fragrance. Good year-round scent for the bathroom or the bedroom. Or since it's still spring, wherever you want in your house. So another berry apple. Apple cinnamon cider. Creamy pumpkin cupcake. Sweet nothing. Sweet nothing. Delicious cranberry, berry apple, apple cinnamon cider, berry apple, apple cinnamon cider, another sweet nothings, another seaside woods, another creamy pumpkin cupcake, another baking cookies, more baking cookies, apple berry or berry apple, delicious cranberry, and last but not least, another sweet nothings. So as you can see, I got a lot. Let's see what my invoice says. So total there is we got 5, 10, 17, 22, 25, 30, 32 wax melts. It doesn't have a total price, but they were under $1 each, and with shipping and all, I spent $27 on all these wax melts. So I hope you guys enjoyed my final Yankee Candle semi-annual sale haul. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.